I just want to show you a little how I do the lighting on a lot of my, what I did on my HO buildings. To separate anything like has 2 floors, 3 floors, whatever, I would take some cardstock, thin cardboard, whatever, construction paper, actually if it's a little stiff enough, paint it black on one side, and I would put it on the second floor. I don't know if you can see it in there. That was some old shade stuff. And this one here I put, take some same thing, construction paper, whatever, and I paint them different colors for different, to make shades. And I don't know if you can see it in there. Yeah. You can see the shades. On the HO, of course, it's a lot bigger. I either use shades or I'll even put curtains or something in there. I just figured I'd try it on here. I mean, I don't know if you're going to see it laying on the layout, but then what I'll do is, and then if I don't want all the windows having light come out of them, I would just take some other paper and just paint it black, and then I would just stick them in here like this and just cover so it'll be all black from the outside. You can maybe, I don't know if you can see it, it'll be black. And it's pretty much what I'll do. These shades in here where it's all white, I'll paint them black just so if you could see it, if it's lit, you don't see the white, it'll be just black. Plus it'll help so the light doesn't shine through the shade. Kind of looks funky. So just show you a little bit what I'm doing with them. Okay. All right, so I get your opinion. Which storefront you like better? The storefront on the left, the paper photo of the storefront, the light is behind the paper, and the paper photo is all the way up against the glass. The one on the right, there's a light in front of the paper storefront, and the storefront paper is back about maybe 1/4 to a 1/2 inch. It's not right up against the glass. Just wanted to get your opinion. Which one you think looks better? So I stated this is the building that was on the left, and this is the little storefront paper. Just part of the directions, very thin. And that I slid right up along, right on the back, right up on it. And then would take a light like this, it's got to be pretty bright light, and then I would just set that in there so it's shining towards the front of that. That was the one on the left. Now, the one on the right, we took the paper front like this, and I set it back about 1/4 or 1/2 inch or so. And what I did, well, only temporary right now, but I don't know if I can get up there. You can see I just taped a small LED chip up in there. So this would be behind it, and it would light that whole void in front between the paper storefront and the glass on the front. So just trying to get your idea what you think, which one looks better for these N-gauge. I've done both styles, both ways with this on the HO. Kind of either way, I kind of like. Now, on the HO though, I used a lot of this. I bought this, I forget, I don't even know what company it was. had all these HO front storefronts, but this is more like a photo. It's a thicker paper, so the light doesn't really shine through it. So if I used any of these, I had to put it in the front. A lot of times if it's a bigger one, I would bend it round a little bit and just put the light in the front. It worked out pretty good. So if you could, in the comments below, if you could, give me what you think, your thoughts on which one looks better, or if you had any ideas on how you lit up these houses on the storefronts. So appreciate it. All right, this was a quick video. I just want to show you the two different ways I do the lighting on the storefronts. So if you could, please give me a comment, give me your opinion, what you think. Either way, doesn't matter or which one's better, or if you have any ideas on how you do it, I really appreciate it. That'll be so that's it. Until the next time we meet.